Hey friends, Jackie here from Interact, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send your quiz takers their results via email using Klaviyo. So the first thing you want to do in Klaviyo is create different lists, one list for each quiz result somebody could get. So today I'm going to be creating the which essential oil should you try next quiz, and I have 4 different results. So over here in audience and lists and segments, you can see I've started to create a different list for each of the quiz results. Here's 3. Let's add the 4th simply by clicking on Create List, choosing List, and then choosing the name for the list. Now, I highly recommend whatever you name the list, make sure you know which quiz result that relates to. It will make this whole process so much easier. Go ahead and click on Create List. Once you've created the list that you need for each of your quiz results, you're next going to want to build out the emails that you send with this quiz result information. So let's build those emails. Over on the left, click on Flows. And you can see here I've started to build out a flow for each of my existing quiz results. Let's go ahead and build the flow for the 4th result. Click on Create Flow, then choose Create from Scratch. You're going to name the flow. I would name this something that matches your quiz result, and then choose Create Flow. Now you'll want to select a trigger, and this trigger will be a list, which means when someone gets added to a list, this workflow for this specific result will trigger. So we want to make sure we're choosing this list. So I will choose that result from the list we've already made here and click Done. And now I want the action to be an email. So when someone is tagged with this quiz result, they will receive this specific email. To edit the email, click on these 3 dots and choose Edit. Here's where you can name your email and update preview text, sender name and email, and customize your email. So this is where you will add all of the quiz result information that someone will get once they get this email from you. Once you're ready, go ahead and click on Done. You can continue building out this workflow. For this demo, I'm only going to include this one email that includes the quiz taker's result, and I will click Update Action Statuses. Choose Live as the action status, and then hit Update. Now we can head over to your Interact account and start setting up the integration. From your Interact account, go to the quiz and click on Edit. And over on the left, you're going to turn on lead generation. Now you can update the opt-in form with custom text or anything that you would want to say here. And once this is ready to your liking, click Save and Continue. Now from this list of direct integrations, we will select Klaviyo. And once you've added your Klaviyo account information, you'll be taken to this screen where we can set up specific triggers based on the results that people are getting. So for the first quiz result here, I'll click on Add Action, and then I'm simply going to from this contact list dropdown, select the list that matches this quiz result. So this quiz taker should be using chamomile, lemongrass, and rose. So I will add them to that list that I created and click Save. And I'll do the same thing for the next result. So click on Add Action, and if someone is getting jasmine, orange, this quiz result, I will select that one from the list, hit Save, and I'll complete this for all of the quiz results that I have. You'll know this is set up accurately when you see these pink lightning bolts confirming the triggers are set. Go ahead and click Save and Continue. Click Save and Continue again. Adjust the double opt-in settings to your preference and hit Save and Continue. And then just make sure that the fields are mapped, meaning when someone adds their email address to the Interact opt-in form, it's going to show up in the email field of your Klaviyo account. And same thing for first name. Their first name from the Interact opt-in form will show up in the first name field in Klaviyo. Hit Save and Continue, and now you're able to either test the integration or publish your quiz and start testing it live. And that is how you can send your quiz takers their quiz results via email using Klaviyo. At this point, you should be ready to market your quiz and start sharing it everywhere, so you can check out this video where our team talks about ways to market your quiz for maximum visibility. Don't forget, if you haven't finished your quiz yet or still need a quiz, head over to ai.tryinteract.com and have a quiz built for you.